I love how I'm telling Chef D how to cook.
Yeah, he's like, oh, that's not on yet.
No,
Chef
just
D's
like,
like,
get
it's
that
going
on.
in the oven.
Hey,
Yeah.
Chef D, everybody,
Yes.
back on the show. Good to see you, Pat. You got two workers with us today.
I know, it's great to be back, and it's great to be in this is a beautiful kitchen.
Isn't it awesome?
You're not going to get me out of here, you know?
You know, every
fine.
day after the show, we
hot.
make something for the entire crew.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
well, that's cool.
What are we making today? Because we're doing Grey Cup is this
right,
weekend.
so I wanted to do something different for Grey Cup, so I thought, what if we do a Cuban sandwich?
Okay.
And we're going to use the new Sunny Dog spicy dill pickle cheese. It's a Monterey Jack cheese.
Which is this?
And
it's
it
so
has
good.
dill pickles in it, which is what we want with a Cuban sandwich.
tried
so,
it already?
Mr. Tim,
Yes.
you have to get working. So
Okay.
can you put the...
Can I just try the cheese?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
Tortilla
Yeah.
crumbs in with the salmon and the cheese and a little bit of the aioli.
Okay.
Annette,
So
I'm
am I
gonna get
dumping the whole thing or no?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
Because you want to feed all the staff, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
what am I
Annette,
doing?
you're going to cut, I'm just going to cut a little bit of the pork off. You're
Okay.
going to make the sandwich. And now this pork was done overnight, like I slowly cooked it, 235 degrees.
Should I get a fork for that? Or
no,
can
you're
I
gonna
use,
use-
I'm
you're
gonna
just use your
mine. I did
fingers.
use mine.
Okay,
I did
while you're
clean
doing
my
that,
hands.
but I'm going to show you how to just kind of get the pork going. So we're going to take
Do
some...
I put it on one side or both?
You can do whatever you want because it's your sandwich.
Okay, well, it's easier to
Yeah.
fold over, right?
Right.
Okay, loading it up.
And then you're going to put all this cheese on it, sliced up the Sunny Dog.
Okay. And
That's
I've
what it's
already-
called. That's the cheese, the Sunny Dog.
Yeah,
I
Sunny
like
Dog.
it's really nice. It's not super spicy, but
No.
there's a little late kick to it that's kind of nice.
And
Chef.
then the dill, because you need the dill pickle for the Cuban sandwich, that's what I thought. So
Okay.
now we're going to put this like this.
Okay.
You're going to take it over to the panini press.
Excuse me.
Okay. What are these things called that I'm making, Chef?
These are
So I just set it
salmon
down
cakes.
here
Salmon
and
cakes.
not
Salmon-
burn
salmon-
myself.
Salmon cakes,
Salmon
yep.
cakes.
So we're using the tortillas. So we use Barry's asparagus. Remember when we were out at Barry's
Yeah,
asparagus?
yeah.
He makes this asparagus chip. So again, gluten-free. So if you're looking for that, so you're doing a great job. A little bit of the aioli to bind it together.
Do we need more aioli than that?
Just a little bit,
Maybe
yeah.
a little bit
Okay.
more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Am
And
I
then
doing this right? I
yes,
just
you are.
like set
Perfect.
it down. And what do I do? I've never
you're
used a
just gonna
panini.
wait there for about a
Okay.
minute and a half.
All
We're
right.
going to put a little bit of garam masala on our pork.
And what's that?
This is our, to get the Cuban pork ready.
Okay.
A little bit of Chinese spice, and I just love this because you can smell that. A little bit of
Oh,
cinnamon
and nutmeg.
yeah, and fennel, and oh yeah.
Okay. Done?
Okay,
Tasty.
done
Do I
now.
add any of this?
Yes, you need a little bit of the celery, yellow peppers, and we have some onions.
Look at you.
And then
Okay.
I'm just putting seasoning with a little salt and pepper.
Okay.
And then, because you know how normally with pulled pork you smoke it and that, this is not that way. So we have some lemons and limes. I'm gonna add some orange juice into our pan.
Okay.
We're gonna pop it in the oven. Now this would be, 4.5 hours in about 250-degree oven. You don't need to cover it. That's what's so great about it. And away we go. You can do it in the barbecue.
Shall
it
I
in-
open
you
the
put-
oven for you? Which
You
oven
put
do
it
you
right
want?
in the
top, it's
oven?
Perfect.
I'm just kind of go rogue here, Chef, and
Okay.
just kind of doing my
Let me
thing.
see. Let's see
Like
what-
this?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Right?
Right into the pan.
Oh, so they're going right in the pan.
Yep.
Now, we didn't talk about the fish that's in here.
Right.
It's salmon.
It's
So
salmon.
it's salmon, but it's just like it's sushi grade salmon.
Sushi grade fresh salmon.
But you could also use canned.
100%. If that's what you like, and we've used canned salmon a lot. Gold Seal. We've done a lot of work with them. Again, whatever you like is what you want to put into it. And if you're not a big salmon fan, put some chicken in.
Okay, or tuna.
Or tuna.
Yeah.
Away you go. Right, and you can have some great cakes. And you're doing a great job there, Mr.
Great cakes.
isn't on.
I know the stove isn't on. We're going to take this to the oven now.
Oh, we're taking it to the
this
oven.
Is everything in the oven. So
Okay,
again,
and can I?
yeah. Okay, just open this up. Look at that. And now you're going to turn it.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to put it back down for a minute.
And you
I'm
don't
gonna
have
put
to,
these
like-
back in the
right.
oven, right behind
Okay.
you.
Oh, it's smelling good.
Yeah,
Right.
thanks.
Then we're going to bring these out. For you can try.
Nice, get those in.
Like
Oh.
that. Just a
we're
little
just
crab.
gonna-
Yeah. And then we're just going to take a little bit of the garlic aioli.
What's all in that garlic aioli?
Garlic,
Garlic,
and aioli.
canola oil, a little bit of lemon juice, and we're using fresh Ontario garlic, so it's got lots of pungency to it, and away you go, right?
Nice, a little crispiness to it. Oh, I like that
And then
crispy.
you get a little bit of the dill and the cheese coming through,
Really good.
right?
Well-
Okay, now, Annette, I'm just going to come across here. Just
I'm
open
eating.
this.
We got 30 seconds.
Okay, hold on. We're going to get this ready. Look at that.
They're cutting into fours.
Yeah, there you
Nice.
go. Try that.
Can you cut the crust off? No.
And then try this again. Sunny Dog, spicy dill cheese. Fantastic. How good that?
Oh, so good.
Where can you get these recipes, Chef?
Our website,
Okay.
chefdtv.com,
Okay.
and you can go on both of those as well.
Oh, and you got drinks too?
100%. Hey,
obviously.
nice
Oh,
shirt.
there we go.
There you go. All right. It's a good looking Thursday
This
here.
is delicious.
Okay. Thanks, Jeffy. Good
Thank
seeing you, okay?
We'll get the
See you.
links up on our website.
Okay. Got it.
Oh, this is so
Easy
good.
with that.
And this too.